Come, let us spill this already spilled juice and get into some entertainment news. Now, before we get into it, I would like to apologize for being super scarce. But I am back and I hope I will deliver something on a daily. Now, I found this while going through Instagram and it was about Sorisha Naidu. She wrote, "A soulmate is someone who keeps showing up. I was recently in hospital for a small procedure and was trying my best to get back to Durban as soon as possible. The procedure was at 6 a.m. and my flight was booked for 1 p.m. Viv never left my side, and on the day of catching the flight, all planes were grounded for 5 to 6 hours. There was also no aircons with an airport full of people. Not only did he carry every single bag, carry on and jacket, he made a bed for me and brought me food and water and fused over me. I was seated at all times, even while boarding. He missed a massive year-end event and several important meetings and did not even mention it once. He also made sure he also made sure days later that all my meds were taken religiously. My man shows up each and every time, every second of the day, through my good, bad, and ugly days. May I always remember and recognize his love in my life in ways money can never buy. Baby, thank you for being the consistent husband in my life. Thank you also to the staff of Morningside Mediclinic for taking the best care of me. Thank you, Bully, for everything. P.S. Fully recovered and thriving by the grace for God." This was all Sorisha. But the caption right now, the underlying message is Viv is the most romantic and caring husband, considering that she always complained about Viv always being at work. But now Viv is showing up and showing off. Do like, share, and subscribe.